And sometimes when you accept a command in Premiere Pro, you use them very often, but Premiere Pro they have not the shortcut. In this case, you can assign a shortcut key for them. And if you want, for example, like this, for this key, by default, Adobe Premiere Pro 000, they have not a shortcut, keyboard shortcut for this key. This key is called Toggle Take Audio and Video. You can click it to take the video only. You select the selection tool first. Move it. So in this case, they have only take the video into editing into your sequence. If you click again, so they will only take the audio into the sequence, and you press again to take it both audio and video in this way. And if you will use this command very often, you can assign a keyboard shortcut for them. You can go to here, for example, this keyboard customization. So you can set up your personal keyboard shortcut in here. By default, Adobe Premiere Pro 000 they provide you a keyboard shortcut set as Adobe Premiere Pro Factory default. This is the default from Premiere Pro. And if you have worked in other non-linear video editing system, for example, Adobe Express DV, with those keyboard shortcuts, so you can select the keyboard shortcut set from here for Adobe Express DV 3.5. So all this shortcut key they change based from the Adobe Express DV for them. If you have worked and familiar with the shortcut keyboard with Apple Final Cut Pro, and you can select the shortcut set from here. Or by default, use Adobe Premiere Pro Factory default. And as you can see, I told you, you can set up your personal shortcut. If you use a command very often, you can set up a shortcut for them. For example, here, the take audio and take video, the command in here, if you use them often, you can set up a shortcut key for this. And by default, the toggle take audio and video, they have not shortcut here, so you can click it and assign a shortcut for them. For example, I make it toggle take audio and video, I make it as the T key, so I click on it and press the T key on the keyboard. And here you see they give a warning box here. The shortcut key were already in use by the application match free command. That means this shortcut key is have already assigned in another command for this command. So if you want to use this, so you can just take it, or if you want to, you can go undo, remove it, and click again and press another key, for example A key for toggle audio video. And now you press the A key and no warning box in here. That means you can use this shortcut, because this shortcut is not assigned to any command in Premiere Pro, so you can use it. Now your shortcut set is customized. You set up another shortcut set, you can save it as another shortcut set. For example, you can save this, or you can change the shortcut key in here, then you can save it as a new keyboard shortcut set. For example, you can put a name, for example, my keyboard shortcut set, like this. You can call this and save it. So you can select it default from Adobe, from the shortcut from Adobe Express DV, Final Cut Pro, or your personal keyboard shortcut in here. Or you can click OK to save it, and to use the A key as the toggle audio video key in here. But before I click OK, I show you the default by default from Adobe Premiere Pro. You select it, and here they have for the application. You can check out the shortcut from here. For example, you can, if you want to know how to set up clean the in and out point. What's the socket for them? You can go to here, go to the keyboard customization, and check it. Clean in and out point is the G key, clean in point is D key, clean out point is the F key. So you can memorize it. For any keyboard socket in here, you can check it if you want to use that socket. Something in here, you can expand the sequence clip like this. You can check the socket keyboard here. And for the application and for the window is from the window that you open, and you can check that. For example, for the audio mixer window, you check out the socket for them when you're working on the audio mixer, or show high checks. So this control, hold down control and press T key. This is the command. This is the socket. And for the tools, you can see this selection tool, check selection tool, ripple edit tool, rolling edit tool. All these tools, they have a socket key for them. And if you don't like the, for example, selection tool, you can change it for another one. You click it and click on a key F, or F LED select it, or you can click S LED select for the snap command, or you can, if you prefer, you can hold down the control key and press the S to make it. But this already saved as a command for application file save command. So you can try the socket for you if you want. And by default, I don't want to change the selection tool as Control S or whatever. And here I click it, take it as the V key. Anyway, I click here so I can use my personal socket. In here, I only assign one socket for this command for the A key. And for the channel here, you can select your personal and click OK to assign it. And here, now you see from the chips, you see this assign A key for them. So you press the A key now to toggle between take audio, take video, or take both. Like this, you put only the video, press again, take only the audio, press again, take both the audio, the video and audio, like this. This is the command you just assign it and use it for your personal use. And for the demonstration, I go back to Adobe Factory default. Okay.